Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a baguette. Mix flour, water, yeast, and salt until a shaggy dough forms, then rest for 30 minutes. Use gentle folds every 30 minutes for 2 hours to develop strength without overworking. Shape tightly into long loaves, proof until puffy but not doubled, and bake on a hot stone with steam for a crisp, golden crust. In this video, I will show how to make a baguette. Combine flour and water, then auto-lyse for 20 to 40 minutes before adding salt and yeast. Perform gentle folds every 30 minutes during bulk fermentation to build structure. Watch for dough that holds an imprint and shows airy bubbles. That indicates readiness for shaping. A longer cold retard in the fridge adds flavor and makes scoring easier. In this video, I will show how to make a baguette. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes recipe reading easy when flour-covered hands need a quick glance, and its adjustable light keeps pages clear during late proofs. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video to support more simple baking help, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make a baguette. After bench rest, shape with outward pressure to create tension and tapered ends, then proof until puffy but not collapsed. Preheat oven to 475 degrees F with a baking stone and steam source for crisp crust formation. Slide loaves onto the stone, steam for the first 10 minutes, then remove steam and finish baking until deep golden and hollow sounding when tapped.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.